Hi, yes, this is JJ. I was calling looking for Jason. Is Jason there?
Yeah, hi, this is Jason. I'm glad you called. I was having some questions about my information that I was supposed to send to you. I didn't fully understand it.
Okay, sure. Yeah. I was just waiting, so I was wondering maybe I could provide you some assistance in some way. But really what I need is that itemized expenses that you have for your business, as well as those miscellaneous expenses. Those will help be able to lower your taxable income. Would you mind sending me those invoices so that I can then calculate then how much we would owe and how much we'd get back?
Yeah, I guess I'm not really sure that I understand what itemized expenses are and what I should put into the miscellaneous. Could you help me to understand that?
Sure, of course. I'd be happy to explain it. So for those itemized expenses, we'd provide invoices for expenses for your company, your business. For example, something that you bought, maybe equipment such as a new phone, or if you had purchased a laptop, an iPad, anything, and provide the invoices accordingly to be able to itemize that. And so that just helps to show, and that's for the itemized category. Whereas the miscellaneous would be just other things, pencils, things that may not fit into a category, supplies, you could say for the year, maybe $300. And you could just put that into the miscellaneous category. It's the ones that are itemized are more reasonable and easy to show to the IRS and helps reduce your taxable income because if you're bringing in a lot, but then of course you show that you have a lot of expenses that you are also occurring, that will lower your taxable income and then be able to save you some money. Because really what you're profiting is a lot less because of the expenses that you had to occur. Does that make sense a little bit?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so it's about making sure that we show how much money I spent on things that I needed to for the business.
Yeah, exactly. And just like your business, it'd be like, maybe a credit card, things that you bought on there, and filing that. And we just need invoices that go along with each of those receipts so that the IRS is able to see that and they won't flag it, of course, because if we load up the miscellaneous category, it may, they may be thinking that there's something fraudulent going on, but it would just help with show that these business transactions were necessary.
Okay.
Like additionally, for example, some individuals, health insurance, the cost that you'd have for that, or if you're paying into maybe like mileage as well, that could be something, how many miles you're doing with your vehicle, and uh, kind of 1 second for the interpreter. Yeah, that depreciation that you're incurring because of that.
Okay.
So that would kind of help lower your that taxable income even further, so that you would only, pay taxes on the portion that really matters and not the extra stuff. Because as well, if you're earning maybe 150,000, but you're spending a lot of that, maybe your taxable income is only 100,000, or it should be. Can save you money that way.
Okay. Well, I do have a couple of files full of receipts and things. So I'll scan all of those and get those to you. I think I did keep track of mileage pretty well. So I'll get that to you also. Okay, I'll just email those to you.
Email would be great. I look forward to receiving that email. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day. All right.